Hi and welcome to Door One Health Video Tips channel. Today I want to talk about a muscle which can affect your posture and bring your shoulders forward and give you a rounded shoulder whenever it gets tight and unhealthy. Also, it can put pressure on a bunch of nerves which can give you pain in the arm and also give you funny feelings in your fingers. So this video can be useful for personal trainers as well as other individuals who want to improve their posture. So there will be a bit of anatomy and technical words in the video, which you may skip it if you're not interested, and you can watch the end of the video, which shows you the stretching part of the muscle. Alright, so let's get it started. The muscle that we want to talk about today is called pectoralis minor. It's a small muscle located underneath a bigger one, which is pectoralis major. Here is pectoralis major, and to see pectoralis minor, I'm going to remove this muscle. And here we have pectoralis minor. Also, to see this better, I'm going to remove the deltoid muscle. And as you see, pectoralis minor is attached to the ribs 3 to 5, sometimes 2 to 5, and on the other side it's attached to the scapula bone. So here we have the scapula bone, and at front we got the crocoid process of this bone, and pectoralis minor is attached to that part of the scapula. You can imagine if this muscle gets tight, it can pull the scapula downward and forward, and the result will be the weakness of the muscles on the upper back area, which can pull your shoulder back, and also at front it can create the tightness in the chest area. To avoid this problem, we have to keep stretching this muscle and keep it healthy. The problem here is many of those stretches that we know for the chest area, it's mainly designed for pectoralis major and not pectoralis minor. So I'm going to bring the pectoralis major back to the picture. The muscle fibers or the direction of muscle fibers of pectoralis major somehow different to pectoralis minor, and for that reason you should know specific positions and ways to stretch pectoralis minor. One thing to mention about pectoralis minor is because it's attached to the ribs, it can elevate the ribs or lift your ribs up whenever you breathe in or inhale. So as I said, there should be a specific ways of stretching pectoralis minor, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so first stretch which I'm going to show you is just a simple one, which you have to do it in a standing position as you bring your arms behind you to extend your shoulder, and then you're going to retract the scapula, or basically you move your shoulder blades back towards each other like that. And then once you get your shoulder blades squeezing together, then you're going to take a deep breath in to expand your chest better, and you're going to breathe out forcefully, and you repeat this for 10 times. This way you're going to stretch your pectoralis minor effectively. Okay, so the second stretch which I'm going to show you is the stretch that you have to do it in a standing position. You can do it against the wall or against a pole, as you see in the picture. Place your opposite leg forward and keep your front knee a little bit bent. The position of your arm should be aligned with the muscle fibers of the pectoralis minor. So basically you need to raise your arm and place it higher than your shoulder level. This way you might be able to stretch the lower muscle fibers of pectoralis major as well. So as you see in the picture, you resting your arm against a pole, and then once you get in this position, then you gently move your torso forward, and this is going to increase the stretch in the muscle. And you normally hold this stretch for 30 seconds. And make sure that during the stretch you breathe in and out regularly.